Well, hello, you poor girl. You just want a little alternator, don't you? Oh, ugly, ugly, ugly. B plus. Okay, all right, now up to the top. Damn, you pretty. Just cleaned out the throttle body. She looks nice, dude. Very nice. I was using this. One of my buddies, he works at a dealership. Fucking hooked it up. Cleaned it out. Alright, back to the alternator. Oh, an update on that. So we took it off and we're gonna put the new one on shortly. Just gotta go pick it up. And yeah, I guess we'll throw in the next clip of us doing that. Central Battery and Auto Electric, they got the alternator. They're gonna do us a big favor and go ahead and rebuild it for us. So we should be getting it tomorrow morning, sometime around 10. So we'll be back when that happens and we can start the install and we're out. What's up, guys? We just picked up, look at this. It looks brand new. Hold on, let me get the door. Ooh. Or the hatch, whatever you want to call it. Look at that. Dude, this is the same one. Brand spanking new. Don't forget, guys, shout out big time to Central Battery and Auto Electric. They got what you need right here, man. They hooked me up for dirt cheap and they did quality work. So all right, let's go install this. First. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and snugged up that guy right there. I just popped this guy on there. Gotta put the nut on there. That's a 10 mil. And this one and the two up top are 15 millimeters. I clipped that little harness into place. It just snaps in there. For the most part, she's in. Uh-oh, I hear something. Look who just came.
Oh,
Street! What's up, bro? Woo!
we still need the 15.
Oh, yes, dude. Clutch with the 15. My dog. What is up?
Chillin', bro?
Oh, how do I look, man? Am I full of sweat and nasty grease? Look at those shades. Those are cool. You can see me in there. YouTube, if you don't know him already, this is Street in the flesh. This guy is my ride or die. We used to ride motorcycles together. Hold on. We'll hold up on that. Come on, man. Tell us about your truck real quick. Look at this bad beat. Woo! Of course. We got the 4Runner. We're gonna do a 4Runner and a freaking Comanche. Little, I guess, feature. Damn, look at her, dude. They don't make these motherfuckers anymore. It's got those custom headlights. Ooh, Eliminator edition. I have to go in there, bro. Let's see what we got. He wasn't prepared. Sorry for procrastinating again, but I just wanted to show this. It's hot. Street always has gadgets and gizmos, and look at this. So we got a little shade. Red Bull KTM status. But he's like, yeah, dude, and the thing's carbon fiber. I'm like, from where? Holy shit, dude. Yeah, if you guys don't know, we call Street because he's just a bad motherfucker on two wheels, man. From CBR 600 double R's to freaking MV Agustas, you know what I mean? Which brings me to, and me versus this. I mean, we ain't trying to get smoked on YouTube, but I think it'll make good content, right? All right, enough of the bullshit. Let's finish this 30-day long alternator install. So far so good, guys. She's alive and well, which is a plus. Not too bad. Excuse the dirty engine bay. Feeling pretty good there. Oh, dude, she sounds good. Still cold. Hey, are the lights on there? Okay. Everybody knows about that. They see him. Dude, look at my arms sweating. Well, the CRV, dude, I swear. My wife's vehicle comes in clutch. Her new vehicle. There's a video to come on her old one, 2018 Honda Pilot. This is an 18 Honda CRV. Let's just say I put one of these Japanese rice sticks on it. Fucking sounded cool. Anyways, back to the 500. So I'm gonna let her get up to operating temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and put load on her, turn the lights on, plug in the phone, put some jammers. And I'm just gonna let her idle, guys. Let her idle for a long time and see what happens. And then from there, we'll shut her down. We'll wait a solid, 20 minutes or so. See if she fires back up. I have faith she does. Well, to the next clip. Sounds good. She's filthy. Going for a bath. Oh, dude, it feels so good driving this fucking car again, man.